Hey boo boo kitties, hey boo hey. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to create Life as Nique's intro. Super easy, super basic for the beginner. First thing we're going to do is hop into Canva. You are going to choose your YouTube thumbnail dimensions or a template that you can just type into the search bar. And the first thing I'm going to do is go to elements and type in pink blush ombre. If you want, you can go to Google Images and type in a pink blush ombre square or pink ombre square, and you can just download it straight from that. But I just want to show you guys how to do so on Canva. And right now I'm just kind of browsing just to kind of see which one I prefer. So being that the white kind of starts on the left and transitions into this pink blush color. So what I did was I went to effects, and what I'm doing basically is just kind of like playing around with these different filters and intensity just so that I can create more of an ombre effect. And I'm also playing around with like the saturation, the contrast, etc., so that you can achieve that desired look. So this is what we're gonna go for, and you're gonna download this. Okay, so when you think about creating your intros or your outros or your banner art, think of it like a cake. Okay, you have to start with your foundation, which is your background. Right now, what I'm doing right now, just skip this step. I'm just adding this screenshot of Nique's intro so that I can have a reference, opposed to exiting out of Canva, going back to YouTube, etc., etc. So we're gonna do text. We're gonna add text, and we're gonna do life. And as you can see here, the letters are spaced out. So I'm just gonna enlarge this, tap these three dots, tap the lines next to effects, and just space out the letters. Super easy. And next we are going to do as, and I just fast forwarded this part, you guys, because I wanted to achieve a very similar color to what Nique has in her intro, since we are imitating this outro to a T. So I'm just adjusting it here, and I just tap the color board, as you can see up top. And being that this has more of a red undertone for a pink, I decided to just pull that little bar all the way to the right. And you can pause this just to get the exact color, which is hashtag whatever series of letters and numbers pop up. You can just pause that part to see, but I just kind of did it by eye. So I'm just adjusting it here. And then what I did was I just copied that exact text, instead of doing add text in XYZ, since it's like the same font and pretty much the same size. I'm just gonna size this down a bit and adjust. Okay, like this. And then next we're gonna add the line. You're gonna go to elements and you're gonna type in solid black lines, actually. So I did black lines at first, and then we're going to do solid black lines, and we are just going to look for something without a point or a circle at the end, just something super basic, solid black line. And I'm just going to adjust it here. You can tap up here to the top left and widen the line so that it's thicker, increase the width. And this is what we're doing here. We're just gonna just crop it as such, and then press the three dots, copy again. This is easy because you don't have to do it all over again. Elements, click the black line, thicken it, and then resize. Like, you don't have to do that. Just copy the line that you just did by doing the three dots and pressing copy. We're gonna do text again, add a heading. This time we're gonna add never miss a video. So we're going to type this and just size it down. And we're going to add this on top of the layer that we just created, the pink ombre layer. So we're just going to download this, And being that we want this to have a transparent background, make sure that when you download it, it's on PNG. Just 1 second. It's on PNG. Tick off transparent background and make sure that the exact page is ticked off. Okay. So we're going to save that. Okay. And then I want you to type in smoke transition green screen on YouTube, and you're going to screen record this video. Okay. It's going to be in the description box. So we're going to open CapCut, and what we're going to import first is our base, our foundation, which is the background. Okay. Next, we're going to go to add overlay, and now we're going to add the text with the transparent background here. Okay. And now I'm just going to just make this a bit longer. Okay. Boom. All right. Now we're going to highlight what we just added, which is the overlay here, and we're going to go to animation, and we want this to come in from above. So you're going to tap this one here to slide down. Okay. And you can always speed it up or slow it down, but this is a good speed. So I went to overlay again, and I went to stickers, and under stickers, if you click the power button, you will see little subscriber buttons, notification buttons, and that's what we're going to use. If you want to do a black subscriber button and a black notification bell, you can just screen record a green screen with a subscriber button that is black and a notification bell that is black. So I just went to animation once again, and I just made it kind of come in to the left. So slide right like this. Okay, just like how we did the text that we added to slide down to this sticker, we did slide to the right, and then I just added another sticker right here, and I'm gonna do slide to the left so that it can slide in like this. Okay, and that's perfect. Next, we're gonna do add overlay again, and you are going to add the green screen that you just recorded. Okay, and overlay is basically you're just adding those layers over top. Okay, you're adding layers over the previous layer. So what I'm doing here, I'm just cropping it to when the smoke starts. I'm gonna go to edit once I have my desired outcome. First, I'm gonna split this, get rid of this excess, and then I'm going to tap the green screen, go to crop, and I don't want all this extra stuff here, so I'm just going to crop it here. Once it's cropped, I flipped it with my hands, I pressed the mirror. Okay, I reversed it, pressed mirror, I turned it upside down and pressed mirror. Okay, because we wanted the clouds to go up, okay, not come down. So you're going to scroll over to chroma key, put this little circle over the green screen, press intensify, and drag this little bar to its maximum. Okay, so that you can get rid of that green screen, you guys, just like this. And I want it to fade in, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to animation in and just tap fade in like this, and we're just kind of seeing how this looks, and I'm just adjusting it so that I can crop the end, the access, so that it ends as soon as the clouds go up. You can also add a white screen afterwards, so that it just goes to pure white, opposed to this kind of grayish cloud looking color. So what I did was I tapped the sticker, you guys, because I realized that Nique's intro, the notification bell is flashing. So I went to loop and I did flash. Loop basically will consistently play whatever motion you have selected, opposed to in, where it comes in with that animation that you selected. Loop will allow it to just repeat itself. So that's what I just did. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of just shortening up this sticker so that as soon as the clouds rise up, the subscriber button leaves first, just so that it's a smooth transition. Like this. And there you have it, guys. This is Nique's intro here, and this is what we just did, boo boo kitties. Boom, easy on your pocket camera, simple. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, Booba Kitties. And I'm trying to wake up to notifications from your YouTube channel, Booba Kitties. But in order for us to do that, we need to launch your channel. And I'm telling you, we're going to manifest those monetization requirements. So click that link in my bio so that you can purchase YouTube Queen Manifestation to Monetization Planner. And I'll see you on the other side of the pocket camera, Booba Kitties.